Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn Think and Write. Today we are starting with Python programming, which is very useful for the data science students. Now we'll see the features of Python language. First one is it is very simple, easy to understand, easy to write the programs in Python. Next it is expressive language. It is interpreted high level language. It's open source. You can write the program from anywhere and access it from anywhere. GUI programming. So you'll get graphical user interface for the users of the program. It is having the large libraries like pandas and numpy. So later on we'll study about pandas and numpy. And now I'll share how to install Python. So we'll be programming in Python ideally. So we'll see how to install. We have to first select the version. So various versions are there of Python. So whichever version you want or the latest version, we'll select the version. Then next we'll click on install now button. Later the installation will start. Then it will be start verifying for the system, and the installation completes over here. Then next, after the installation, we'll open the Python ideally, where we'll be programming the Python programs. So this was all about the installation process. Next, how to write and run a program. It is very simple. Once you open the ideally, simply write print over there. As you see, print, open brace, double quotes, write the message you want to display. Again double quotes closed, close the bracket. Then press shift enter. Okay, once you press shift enter, you'll get the output hello. So whatever string you are passing, you'll get the output. Hope you understood the program. Hope to see you in the next video. And I'll be continuously sharing the upcoming videos on Python programming. So till then, subscribe the channel, like, share and comment. Whatever doubts you have, you can share with me. Okay, thank you.